our five-sense mind has different perceptions because of human experience to other levels of ourselves that are known as subtle bodies or soul. What we call soul is observing the human experience of body-centered mind, and the two should be interacting in the way I've described in previous episodes, using the analogy of the computer and the operator. Soul and mind can come or become disconnected through their perceptions becoming so different that the frequencies they generate cannot connect, like two radio stations on different wavelengths. We often hear, don't we, it's said that two people are not on the same wavelength. In other words, they don't understand each other. This is literally true, and it's absolutely so with soul and mind, when mind becomes so perceptually entrapped in the five-sense reality and the apparently material world that it loses the frequency connection with and influence of soul, its expanded self. If this five-sense domination and focus continues at the moment we call death, then that separation of mind from soul continues. And the mind exists in a discarnate state very close to the frequency range of the human world. This is what we call a ghost, where discarnate mind still identifies with the material realm, perhaps in regret at its behavior in its human life. Maybe it feels there is unfinished business. Could be a deep emotional connection to loved ones still in human form. Or perhaps the mind is simply so programmed in the beliefs of the human self that it's terribly confused and bewildered when faced with another reality. They may still identify as the human they were and stay at or near the former earthly location.